Hey there, my name is Jessica Cisneros and I'm a Palmdale High 2010 alumni. After graduating from Palmdale High, I attended San Francisco State University and received my degree, Bachelor's of Science in Kinesiology, kind of the study of the body and movement, and got a focus in physical education. Currently, I'm not teaching physical education. I put that on hold for now, but I'm an executive assistant to a CEO for a tech company that works with the federal government and cybersecurity. So that's a lot of fun. But I wanted to share a couple of my aha moments, as I like to call them, or learning experiences, just kind of around communication, time management, and organization. So starting in high school, my days were pretty structured just because I was an athlete. So I didn't really have to learn a lot of these skills in high school, which I wish I would have. Going into college, it was definitely a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. You don't have, the teachers like you have now kind of checking in on you, making sure you're turning in your assignments. In college, you either do it or you don't. The professor's not going to call you up or email you to ask about it. Another thing about college that was kind of a learning experience, a growing experience, was advocating for myself, communicating. I see it as a learning experience. I didn't pass anatomy my first round taking it. It was a very challenging course. And so the second time I got into the course, I decided to take an opportunity to talk to the professor and see what other resources were available or what other options were available. And we were able to narrow down that I was struggling with the written exams. And it wasn't that I didn't know the material, it was more of my anxiety, more of me not being able to perform on the exams. And so my professor gave me the opportunity to do a verbal exam in his office. And so with him asking me the questions and me responding, I actually ended up getting a 90% on my first anatomy test. And so moving forward from that was one of the opportunities I was given. I was able to use a verbal test instead of doing a written, where it was the same test everybody else was taking.